Would you like to try some vegan shepherd's pie? Try this favorite recipe of mine. It's healthy and so yummy. Here are the ingredients. 3 large or 4 medium russet potatoes, sliced in 1-inch cubes. Ground Beyond Meat, just use half of the pack. Frozen mixed vegetables, 1 bowl. 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and half onion chopped. 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I like the one with basil and oregano. We'll also need some cumin and coriander powder. Vegan gravy mix. Vegan butter and sour cream. Some vegetable broth. Salt and pepper. Extra virgin olive oil. And vegan grated cheese. If you're vegan and looking for a B12 supplement, try this Boost Nutritional Spray. It's an oral spray, so it has high absorption rate, and it also gives you energy throughout the day. To learn more, see the website link in the description below. To cook the potatoes, put them on a saucepan or cooking pot. Add some salt and then fill with water just enough to cover the potatoes that are on the top. Cook on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes or until tender. Slightly open the cover or stir occasionally so the boiling water will not overflow. Once cooked, drain the water, set aside and let it cool down for a few minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the gravy. Using a mixing bowl, combine 1.5 cup of vegetable broth with the gravy powder, then use batter mixer to mix. Set aside. Heat the saucepan and put 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Sauté the minced garlic and the onions. Then add half pack of the Ground Beyond Meat and stir for about 1 minute and make sure it's broken down to pieces. Cover and let simmer for 1 minute. Then add a bowl of the frozen mixed vegetables. Stir for about 1 minute. Add the whole can of tomato sauce and stir. Then add some garlic salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, and stir to combine everything. And then cover and let cook for 2 minutes. Add the gravy mix and stir for 1 minute. Cover and let cook for another minute, stirring occasionally. Then remove from heat. To make the mashed potato, add 2 tablespoons vegan butter and combine it with the potatoes while mashing it. Then add 2 tablespoons vegan sour cream and continue mashing. Then add some salt or garlic salt if preferred and some pepper. Then mash again. This time use the potato masher to mash and combine everything. Set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the meatless gravy mixture to an oven-safe baking dish. Spread the mixture and make sure it's leveled. Then put the mashed potatoes on top. Spread them and make sure they're leveled. Slightly pierce the top with a fork. Sprinkle some vegan grated cheese on top. Then put the dish in the oven and bake for 10 minutes. And there's our vegan shepherd's pie. Enjoy! You like it, Phil?
This is one of my favorite meals, shepherd's pie.
Awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healthy recipe videos.